court struck down Section 377 of the Penal Code, and that 3 of the key petitioners to overturn criminalization of homosexuality in this country were from the tourism and hospitality industry.
Thank you for your leadership and for your generosity. You have made this come together, and it's so exciting to see everything together, so thank you.
So whenever a member joins IGLTA, they actually become a part of a very large network across the world, and they have the opportunities during the year to connect with other inclusive business.
Beyond that, it was very important to make everyone aware. In the hospitality industry, there would be, believe it or not, a lot of people would not be aware even when you come out. So you've got to continuously have awareness campaigns or just talks to make everyone more aware.
It is important for us to be visible, to be seen, to wear our sexuality on our sleeves.
The whole idea of masterclass came from, and we thought that let's give this as an opportunity to everybody to learn in the room.
Which means that we see and recognize and celebrate the God within our guests. So, having said that, I welcome all of you to this wonderful, wonderful day and this wonderful palatial hotel.
Thank you so much for everything and for all the service, for all the work that you do, and I hope that you have the best experience in this institution, which is our temple.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward.
Yes, you are the baby now.
Nana mujhe chhuna na dur hi rehna